How to use XM trading. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So first of all, after creating your account, this is the kind of window that you would be able to see, and on the top of it you would be able to see this option of verify account. Just simply verify your account in order to get low spreads and reduced fees and some other features, and that would be beneficial for you. Now on the left hand side you would be able to find all the different functionalities of XM trading, and on the top right hand side corner you would be able to see your account details and also the settings of your account. Simply select the settings if you want to change anything or if you want to see details regarding your account. And if you want to switch your account to dark mode, simply select this option of appearance and you would be able to switch it accordingly. If you want to deposit or withdraw from XM trading, simply select this wallet icon on the top right hand side corner, and here you would be able to find the option of deposit, withdraw, internal transfer and transaction history. Now let's explore the left hand side tab. Over here the first one is markets, and you can select any particular market, and if you are not able to find your respective market that you are looking to trade in, simply select this option of search over here and select that particular market. You can also select any particular category from here like ETFs, forex or stocks or crypto or equity indices and much more. Simply select it from here by searching it up, and the chart will appear right over here for you. And on the right hand side panel you would be able to see whether you want to purchase something or you want to sell something. You can also switch it to full screen by just selecting this particular option and then pressing escape in order to get back to the small screen. And if you want to switch your account to the demo account, simply select this option over here on the top, then click on this option of switch account. After that, select this option of demo account over here, and this is how easy it is to switch between the real or the demo account. Now you can do the similar transactions like buying or selling using any particular commodity or the stock or cryptocurrency. Now on the far right hand side corner you would also be able to see this option of ask AI, and when you select it you would be able to ask AI different questions related to your trade or any particular sentiment that is going on regarding that particular stock, crypto or commodity, but you need to verify your account in order to get this feature. Now there's also news and analysis feature where you can get the news related to that particular commodity that you have selected or the stock that you have selected. You can also see the respective analysis for that particular stock or commodity right from this tab itself. And if you want to see the insights related to this particular commodity or stock that you have selected, then you can select this option of insights over here. The AI overview will be there, and here you can see the market sentiment, the daily price change and the other related details. And on the left hand side panel the other tab is your portfolio, where you would be able to see all the open positions by you, the pending orders, the history, price alerts and everything else related to your portfolio. And if you want to participate in the copy trading, then you can also select this particular tab over here, and there are plenty of options over here. I will be covering copy trading on XM in a different video altogether, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to participate in the competitions, simply select this option over here. There are different competitions that are going on and you can participate in them. Some are free to enter while some has the entry fee that you can pay and enter in these competitions. You can also see the competitions that have ended. There are plenty of them, so the competitions seem to be regular and you can participate in the ones that are going on currently. And this is how you would be able to participate in these competitions. For checking more options, simply select the more over here. You can find the copy trading competitions and all sort of different options at one place. And if you have not created your account yet, I will be providing my referral link in the description below, so you can use that link to sign up and support this channel. By the way, if you are looking for the support, simply scroll down further and here you would be able to find this option of help center, live chat, or if you have any question, simply select this option of submit a question. And this is how the XM trading works. If you want detailed explanation on any particular feature, simply comment down below and I will create detailed video for that particular explanation. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.